wanna be with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gloria and on this channel we talk about curls, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of self-care. So welcome. I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. And we're finally in March. The weather outside is nice. It's just feeling like spring. I'm so excited. Super excited for today's video because we are getting back into the Glow Up series. Like I said in my last video, the Glow Up Diaries is all about becoming your best self, whether that's internally, externally. Just think of me as your big sis trying to help you glow up. And for today, we're going to be talking about some high maintenance things that you can do at home to save some coin so that you can be low maintenance. I actually just got done with my full blown routine. We got the hair popping. We got the nails looking cute too. Lashes, brows, and everything I did at home to save some coin. Now this video is just going to be me sharing with you guys the products that I use that makes my routine easy and helps me to save money. But if you would like a full-blown version of each thing that I do, let me know in the comments below and I will be sure to film dedicated videos for these things. So before we get started, if you like videos like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel to join the fam. Also make sure that you follow all my other social handles. I'm more active on those, so go check me out. And let's get right into today's video. So ever since I was little, I was always doing my nails, my hair, like everything myself. I would dye my hair myself. I was doing my own manicures. I was doing acrylic. Then after a while, I started going to get everything done. Then once COVID hit, I was like, you know what? We're gonna have to go back to our old ways. And ever since then, I basically have not walked up into no salon to get any services done, maybe a handful of times. But the first thing that I want to talk about is nails. Now for nails, I've done everything in the book. From home, I've done acrylic, Gel X, and also polygel, and the best thing that has worked for me has been Gel X. And everything that I bought was actually on Amazon for under $100. I love doing my nails at home. It just has brought so much joy to my life. It's like one of my mini little hobbies that I like to just play around and have fun with different designs. And it saves me so much money. When I tell you, I would go get my nails done and it was like each set was over $100 and I would leave every single time from the salon unsatisfied no matter who I went to. And I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna start doing myself. And I'm gonna show you some examples of some different designs and nails I've done, completely self-taught. What Gel X basically is, if you take a full artificial nail like this, but you take one of these nails and you apply this nail glue that can be cured under UV light and apply it on the nail like so. These nails actually stay on my nails for 3 to 4 weeks. They don't pop off. I have no issues with them whatsoever and they have saved me so much money. And now you can even buy them pre-done. So I've been loving this one from SXC Cosmetics, but these are basically white French tips and they look so beautiful, so natural. Like they literally look so gorgeous. I also have them in like different color nudes. So I have like browns, there's some pinks in there, some like beige colors. And for these kits for $35, I believe, it comes with the light, it comes with the glue, a top coat, as well as like other little accessories that you could put on your nails. And you get so many sets, like you're saving for months. So it's something that I definitely would highly recommend that you invest in. Another thing about me is I'm a little bit iffy when I go to get my pedicure done at the salon. I really like to do my pedicures myself. So what I like to do is also do the same thing with the Gel X. What I do is I'll put one of these artificial nails on my big toe. The rest, leave them as is. Apply these and then start painting them with some gel colors. Literally a lifesaver if you're somebody who goes and gets like just your big toe with acrylic. And also there's this cute little kit that you can buy and you can also do Gel X with these. These are also for DIY use to do on your toes. I love this. I was using this a lot during the winter because I was like, nobody's gonna see my toes anyway, and these look really, really good. And I believe this was like $10 or $15 and it still lasted me. I have a lot of sets to go. Right now, I'm mostly just painting my toes, but it's just another option, especially if you like have a broken toe and you're just not trying to, you know, be out here with that. You can apply one of these over it. They literally look like you just went to go get a pedicure done. It just takes a lot of patience, but if you put your mind to it, you could do it. Because getting these nails done is expensive. Like the only time that I'm gonna be going to get my nails done is like if I'm going on vacation and I'm not trying to like do my own nails. That's probably what I'll do, but other than that, you're gonna see me with Gel X. To this day, I think this is one of the best discoveries I've ever made, and that is DIY lash extension. Guys, I feel like I was sleeping under a rock. I started doing these, I'd say probably 2 years ago, and it has changed my life. And don't listen to these videos out here. The best lashes to buy are the You Cool Me lashes. These are basically individual lashes that you can apply onto your natural lashes with this adhesive, which is a bond, and then the seal is on the other side. And I kid you not, your lashes will last you 4 days. For me, it's literally 4 to 5 days. I love these. I'm actually wearing them right now. I just did a fresh set, and as you can see, they don't budge, girl. They don't move. And there's so many different styles you can get. So there's like this thicker one, then there's this one, and then there's like this more fairy-ish kind of look, which is what I have on right now. It's very natural, which is what I like, but also has that little like swoop at the end. I like ones that are very natural like this, but doll-like, and I always get a decurl to give it that lash extension like look. It's also fun just to play around with them, like build them up to get like a volume set, or dye it down a little bit to do a very light set. I've done so many sets, and I've also even used these to put some color in my lashes, and I love, love, love. When I was going to go get my lashes done, I kid you not, I was spending $200 every 3 weeks. Now prices are up. And I'll tell you what, there's definitely nothing like getting a beautiful lash set done. Like, that's something I would definitely invest in if I was going on a vacation, or if I have like a really, really important event that's gonna like last me a couple days. I would absolutely reach for, you know, going to my lash tech. But on a day-to-day basis, like 100%, I'm picking DIY lashes. So definitely go check You Cool Me lashes out. I love them so much. Everything I recommend obviously is going to be in the description box below. When I'm not wearing any makeup and I have my lashes done, I instantly feel pretty. Like, I feel put together, well done. Like it's just life-changing. Now, moving on, another thing I wanted to get into that's something that I feel like is super helpful is at-home treatments, which I feel like I've spoken a lot about on this page. Especially if you have color-treated hair, you know how our hair gets. We need a treatment every now and then. So I highly recommend that you invest in some kind of bonding treatment that's gonna really penetrate your hair, and it's gonna help prevent future damage. So this is something like Olaplex. We have our K18. Fenty Hair has a new one, of course, with the Plenicore 5, I believe. But those treatments, when you go to a salon, they actually end up being like $50 to $100. But you can actually buy the treatment yourself and do them at home, and it's way less. Hair is something very, very important to be taken care of. Another thing I wanted to mention is at-home dermaplaning. I remember like 2 years ago, I went to a skincare specialist to get a dermaplane done. Girl, tell me how that was $150. So since then, I've started to do it myself. If you don't know what dermaplaning is basically removing the peach fuzz from your skin. It also helps to remove dead skin cells. It just makes your skin appear more even, more brighter. It makes such a difference on how my makeup applies, on how my skincare penetrates my skin. And you guys know I'm Latina. Girl's hairy, okay? She grows hair here like no other. So what I like to do is I like to dermaplane my face. All I take is the beauty oil. So this one I have from Autumn Glow Botanicals. This beauty oil is so good. I use it every time I dermaplane. And of course, one of these tools. It makes the world of a difference, dermaplaning. These, I believe I got at Five Below for $5. It was a pack of like 10. And a beauty oil you can find at Five Below for $5 as well. So $10. You do it at home safely. Of course, there's so many tutorials out there that you can learn on your own, and you don't have to go and pay $150 per session. Girl, that's crazy. So get you on dermaplaning. Now we're gonna get into a little bit of the brows. Your makeup is done, but your brows look a mess. Girl, what is you doing? So the first thing I wanted to talk about is brow tinting. Brow tinting has changed the game for me. It saves me so much time when I'm getting ready. Honestly, when I'm barefaced, it makes my face look so much better. Makes me look more awake, more put together. I did my whole session, and look at how my brows look, like professionally done. And it's just brow tint, literally. So I've been using the Bae Brow all caps color capsules, which is basically kind of like a henna for the brow. So I take the angled brush that the kit comes with and apply apply that over my brow and I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off, and it's like my brows are like literally like this, and it stays this way for 2 weeks. It's such a game changer and saves you so much money. And also I really like laminating my brows, so I bought this brow lamination kit from Amazon and it has changed my life. Because I have obviously curly hair, my brows actually like to curl as well, so this really helps to tame them, make them nice and straight so that I'm able to brush them and set them the way that I like them, because my brows literally will curl and just go crazy throughout the day and I really do not like that. So brow lamination helps so much. I think this whole kit was $25. I got it probably in the beginning of summer and I still have more than enough product probably to last me from now until the end of the summer. So those are some things that are just game changers for my routine right now. When it comes to actually plucking my brows or doing anything with my hair, I do like to tweeze. I feel like I get the best results and they're more long lasting compared to waxing and compared to shaving. But sometimes I do get lazy and I do like to wax my brows, which brings me into my next topic. Girl, get you a wax machine. What? This is so life-changing. First and foremost, I only wax my face area. I don't wax anywhere else. I'm a crybaby, literally what it says right here. Like I just can't do it. I can't do it unless someone's around to like do it for me. I'm pure 100% baby. But when it comes to my brows, I do like to do them here and there with wax. Even though plucking them, I feel like I get better long-lasting results. Waxing sometimes is just easier for me, especially when I'm lazy, and wow, it's a game changer. I bought the wax that's in here from Amazon. I believe it was 20 bucks. And girl, it's been lasting so long. It's such a good investment. So if you're somebody who's not a baby like me and you want to wax your underarms, your upper lip, like whatever you want to do, girl, a wax machine is your best bet. Like these salons are charging an arm and a leg, but you could do this at home. Even if it's just having someone like your partner helping you, girl, you better do that. Save you some coin. And Crybaby Wax has like all their kits that you can also purchase. And when it comes to your face and your hair, get you a steamer. This has been my new obsession. I mean, I've been obsessed with it for a couple years now, but now even more. First off, you can literally give yourself an at-home facial with this. You can do your dermaplaning, apply a nice mask. This runs for 10 to 15 minutes. Opens up your pores so you're able to do your extractions, remove any buildup or dirt. Getting a steamer has been a game changer in my routine. It's helped my pores so much. And lately, I've been actually using this to refresh my hair. If you check on my Instagram, you'll actually go see that I did a video using steam on my hair to refresh it. I used to do this back when I was in high school. I would take a shower and then remove my hair towel and let the steam penetrate into my hair. And I never did it like directly on my hair like this and have high porosity hair and my hair be lacking that moisture. So usually maybe 1 to 2 days after my wash day, my hair feels very dry. Using the steam to refresh has been a game changer. But that's basically all of the high maintenance things that I do to stay low maintenance, but on a budget. Honestly, just the Gel X and the lashes make a huge difference in my routine. And everything else is just a little sprinkle of extra. I feel like they're important on their own as well. Everything is gonna be in the description box so that you guys can check out these products. They are amazing. You will not regret it. If you like this video, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Go down below, subscribe to my channel. Beauty and self-care has always been an outlet for me. It has gotten me through some tough times. And I hope that this series will be able to bring some joy into your life. Just make you feel good about yourself. If you want to see any tutorials on any of the things that I do to stay low maintenance, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to do a tutorial for you guys and add it into the glow up diaries. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.